welcome to the Mathematics MI channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting integral question. Find the value of square root of 5 times integral from 0 to 2020 x times absolute value of sine of 5x times dx. Okay, how to begin? First, I am going to take this inner part is equal to I. So, I is equal to pi times 0 to 2020 x times absolute value of sine of pi x dx. Then what can we do? We can use substitutive method. So if we take pi x is equal to t, now differentiate, so pi dx is equal to dt, then we can isolate the dx, so dx is equal to 1 over pi dt, and lower limit when x approaches to 0, t approaches to also 0 when x approaches to 2020, upper limit t approaches to 2020 times pi. Okay, now we can plug in here. So here pi, now limit 0 to 2020 times pi. Now x is equal to t over pi, so t over pi. Now absolute value of sine of pi x is equal to t. Here dx is equal to 1 over pi dt. Now this pi get cancelled, and here 1 over pi we can write outside of the integral because 1 over pi is a constant. So now we have 0 to 2020 times pi t times absolute value of sine of t dt. Well, now we know this property of integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. And now here we know this is also equal to I, and now I am going to take this equation is equal to 1. Now we can apply this formula, King's rule. So here we can write 1 over pi 0 to 2020 times pi. Now t is equal to 2020 times pi minus t. Here absolute value of sine of 2020 pi minus t dt. Okay, now we can simplify this. So 1 over pi, here 0 to 2020 times pi, here 2020 pi minus t. Now sine of 2020 pi minus t, we know sine of t, here dt, then 1 over square root of pi. Now we can multiply by absolute value of sine of t, so we can write here 0 to 2020 times pi. Now 2020 pi times absolute value of sine of t minus here t times absolute value of sine of t dt. Okay, then I write here. Now we have I is equal to 1 over pi. Here I am going to rewrite here 0 to 2020 pi, here 2020 pi absolute value of sine of t minus t, absolute value of sine of t dt. And now I'm going to take, this is equation number 2. Now we know equation number 1. Now we can take equation number 1 plus 2, sum of this equation. So we can write 2 times I is equal to 1 over 5 is a common, so 1 over 5, limit, same limit, so 0 to 20 times pi. Here from number 1 we have t times absolute value of sine of t. Now here plus 20 pi times absolute value of sine of t minus t times absolute value of sine of t dt. Now this term gets cancelled, and now we have 1 over pi, 0 to 20 times pi. Here 20 pi sine of t dt. Now 20 times pi is a constant, so we can write outside of the integer, and here absolute value of sine of t. So if we take the graph of absolute value of sine of t, we know it's look like now here we know 0, 5 and so on, and here this curve with this area repeated 20 times. So we can write here now 1 over pi. Now this term 20 times pi, and here this integral we can write I rewrite, and next time I'm going to simplify. So 20 pi absolute value of sine of t dt, and now this pi get cancelled here, 20 and now we can write this integral, so absolute value of sine of t, this area repeated, we know repeated 20 times, so 20 here 0 to pi absolute value of sine of t or sine of t, we know 0 to 5 sine of t. So now 20 square times here we can write minus cosine of t from 0 to pi. So 20 square times, here if we plug in pi, we have here minus sign, here cosine of pi minus 1 minus cosine of 0 1, so minus 2 times minus, so plus 2. So now we can write 2 times I is equal to 20 square times 2. Now this 2 get cancelled. Now I is equal to 20 square, but we need to square root of I. So now we can write square root of I is equal to 20. So option D is the correct answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.